Hebei Meirun Machinery Technology Co. Ltd. is a professional engaged in the design and production of machinery company. After sales with 30 years of professional engineers to protect customers. The main products include patented products hexagonal knife wire mesh machine, automatic hanger machine, welding and stamping brake belt mesh machine, guardrail mesh breeding mesh wire mesh welding machine, wire forming and bending, 2D and 3D machine. Diesel generator set is the enterprise's new mechanical research and development project. Equipment production and manufacturing for customers to solve the problem of emergency power generation. First of all, the following video is introduced. Mainly the high-end wire scraper series production of all the manufacturing process. The machine is very popular in the world customer groups. We have passed the SGS certification, CE certification, ISO certification and patent certification. Blade gill net machine introduction. How to produce the blade rolling cage process. Looks very complicated. In fact, a long and simple is by 0.5 mm galvanized sheet stamping into the corresponding foreign plate. What type of foreign plate with what mold? Commonly used model BTO HR. Foreign type, and then by our patented R.D. and production of wire wrapping machine will wrap 2.5 mm steel wire forming to complete the shape of each diameter size. After the manual buckle or pneumatic buckle in the high-end automatic buckle machine developed and produced by us to complete the buckle process, forming a spiral cross shape. Each step is a manufacturing process, producing a lot of different varieties and uses of razor wire rolling cage, such as the most common 500 diameter for high-speed rail fence, 300 diameter is used for bridge guardrail, 1,000 diameter is used for ground isolation, 3D form is used for rapid isolation of special police military emergencies, 6D form is used for military isolation barricade vehicle, border emergency isolation, port terminal emergency isolation and other uses. Civilian is used for wall isolation to prevent overcrossing. The fence is raised. The shape of the spikes is also intimidating to prevent overcrossing. Airport guardrail in order to be beautiful. The sharp angle of the knife has a very stinging and intimidating effect. Preventing overturning and so on is very widely used. There are blade bars used to raise the wall to prevent climbing over. And the straight bars are made into diamond nets when the fence net is used. And the grid shape is also a straight bar to weld and complete the guardrail, which is used for the border protection of prison fences, isolation and other posts, and has become an indispensable product for national border protection. Enterprises to development and innovation as the driving force. Integrity management as the foundation of business. Developed in 2000, put into the market in 2002. Obtained the local government support innovation in 2005. Obtained the National Invention Patent Certificate of High-Speed Wire Scraper in 2008. Has been in technological innovation and become the industry pioneer in 2022. 2023. To guide the global wire scraper industry to become the industry leader. Our professional and thoughtful pre-sales team to provide you with professional docking service, after-sales service by 30 years of technical engineers, 24 hours for you. As long as you have technical difficulties to solve the problem, the working time within half an hour to reply. Solve the urgent needs. You can also help for free to guide customers to purchase other brands of machinery and equipment encounter troubleshooting. Escort for customers. Hebei Meirun Machinery is not only your machine supplier, but also your most trusted friend. A cooperation, lifelong friendship. Let us work together to create a better achievement. Become the most trustworthy object of cooperation. Meirun people for our design and creation belongs to the world's leading machinery manufacturing industry, but also the world's friends to Meirun machinery recognition. Always welcome the arrival of friends from all over the world.